Hello guys, today I've got the DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you all controls and gestures. There are actually many of them and I've got here the list of them, so let's start with the basics. When it comes to the music or connectivity and sound volume, we've got here multifunctional button right here. Plus and minus. So when we want to play and pause our music, we need to click this once. Pause and unpause. Pause, unpause. When you want to answer a call or something like that, you need to click it once. When you want to hang up, click once. When you want to decline a call, you need to hold this button, multifunctional one, this one, for 2 seconds. You need to click and hold for 2 seconds, like this. When it comes to the volume, click plus to increase the volume level, click minus to decrease the volume level. When you want to go to the next song, click and hold for 1 second plus. When you want to go to the previous song, minus and hold for 1 second. And when you want to mute some call, you need to hold volume plus for 2 seconds. Kind of counterintuitive, but I think we'll go through it somehow. Okay, so once we've got it, we need to go to the next thing. Switching between Bluetooth and MP3 mode. To switch between it, we need to click 3 times this multifunctional button, this circular one, this one. 1, 2, 3. Now we have Bluetooth, and now we've got MP3 back again. When you want to, manage the music in the MP3 mode, like manage the order, like if you want to have it randomized or or repeat or normal, you need to click volume plus and minus simultaneously for 2 seconds till you hear randomized, repeat or normal. Apart from that, here we've got equalizer. In Bluetooth mode we've got standard 2 modes, and in the MP3 mode we've got again 2, but how to switch between these equalizer modes? You need to click 2 times this multifunctional button, while of course listening to music. You should hear a tone, a voice prompt, like standard mode, enhanced voice mode, like vocal booster mode, or swimming mode. And actually that's it when it comes to the controls and gestures. That's it. Bye.